Good morning students, welcome back to online class. Today I will explain pattern in chapter 12 basic geometrical concept. Before starting pattern, let's understand what is pattern. Pattern is an arrangement. Clear? We can understand in this way. An arrangement of lines, shapes, color, etc. as a design or the way in which something happens, develops or is done. That is pattern. In geometry there are two types of pattern: geometrical pattern, number pattern. Geometrical pattern, it is formed by the geometrical shapes. In geometrical patterns, whatever shape is formed, it is repeated at regular interval of time over a surface. You can see here in this picture that small circle, big circle, small circle, big circle, small circle, big circle, small circle, big circle, and this pattern is repeating till the end. Clear? Over the surface. Now here in each square there are 4 petals, and that 4 petals are repeated in all the squares. Clear? So this type of geometrical pattern we find in carpet, wallpaper, floors, etc. Now number patterns. It is also an arrangement, number numerical arrangement. Student, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 2 9. But directly we can solve it. How? See, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 3 6 3 9. Or directly we can say 3 3 is 9. 3 times 9. Clear? Same here. See, 6 3 times 18. How? See here. If we add this 5, if we take one from this 7 and we add 1 in this 5, it will become 6. 6 6 6. So 6 3 times 18. Here if we add 1 in this 2, we borrow 1 from this 4 and we add 1 in this 2, it will become 3. Then 3 3 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. So number written in middle, that we multiply 3 times and we get our sum. See, 3 3 9, 6 into 3 18, 7 into 3 21, 8 into 3 24. Clear? Now next pattern, 35 plus 2. We are adding only 2, 35 plus 2, 37, 62 plus 2, 64, 74 plus 2, 76. So there are different patterns that we will study in exercise. So first question, observe the pattern and complete the following. I have already explained. 2 plus 42, what we have to do? Simply we have to add 42 plus 2, 44. 72 plus 2, 74. 52 plus 2, 54. Exercise questions. Now B, see, triangle is made. Now 5, 4 and 9 is written. So 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Next, 7 plus 6. So what we have to do? Here we have add 5 and 4 and we have got the sum 9. So that pattern we will follow in these two triangles also. Clear? 7 plus 6, 13. Clear? 7 plus 6, 13. 9 plus 8, 17. So in this way we follow the pattern. See here, 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 6, 13. 9 plus 8, 17. Next question. Find the sum of consecutive numbers. So students, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. We have to find out the sum. See, it is very easy. Where it is following one pattern. What? See, if we add 8 plus 1, it will become 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Clear? 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. How many 9? 4, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 into 4 is equal to 36. What is the sum of consecutive numbers? It is 36. Clear? So once again, 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 times 9, 4 into 9, 36. Now next pattern, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. Same pattern, 9 plus 1, 10. Clear? 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 5 is left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we do? 4 into 10 plus 5. So using Bodmer's rule, 4 into 10, 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. I hope you all have understood. See here, 9 plus 1, 10. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. How many 10? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 10. And 5 is left. 4 into 10, 40. And we add 5. 40 plus 5, 45. Now see. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Same pattern. See. 10 plus 1, 11. 9 plus 2, 11. 8 plus 3, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4, 11. 7, 3, 10, 1, 11. 6 plus 5, 11. So how many 11? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 11 is equal to 55. So in this way we solve this type of question. Find the sum of consecutive numbers. Next question. Observe the pattern and complete the following. We have to observe the pattern. 12 multiply 8, 96. 96 plus 2, 98. Now 123 multiply 8 plus 3, 987. See student. 8 less than 8, 7 here. Now 1234 multiply 8 plus 4, 9876. 7 less than 1, 6. Here we have written. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5. Very simple. 9, 8, 7, 6. Less than 6, 5. See here. Less than 7, 6. 9, 8, 7. Less than 7, 6. And 9, 8, 7, 6. Less than 6, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Multiply 8 plus 6. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Less than 5, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply 8 plus 7. What we can write? We will write all this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, less than 4, 3. Clear? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Multiply 8 plus 8. We will write all this. Clear? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, less than 3, 2. So no need to multiply every time. You have to follow the pattern of this product, and then you can easily answer it. Clear? 98, then 98 and less than 8, 7, 987, less than 7, 6, then 9876, 5, 9876, 5, 4, 9876, 5, 4, 3, 9876, 5, 4, 3, 2. You have to follow this pattern. Now come to next question. Here 6667 multiply 6667. Clear? Product is, see, 4 times 4, 3 times 8, 1 times 9. Now here 4 times 6, 4 times 6, 1 times 7. Clear? What will be your answer? Here 3 times 6 and 4 times 4. So here 5 times 4. We have to follow the pattern of answer. Clear? Now here 3 times it was 6, and here 4 times 4 and 3 times 8. Now here 4 times 6. So what we will do? We will write 5 times 4. Clear? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4 and 4 times 8. 1 times 9. This is our answer. Now here, see, 2, 2, 4, 5. 5 times 6. 1 times 7. 5 times 6. 1 times 7. What we will do? We will follow the pattern of this answer. Clear? So here, how many times we have written 4? 5 times. Now here we will write 6 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 times 8. 5 times 8. Clear? And 1 time 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Once again, see the pattern. Here when it was 3 times 6, 3 times 6, 1 times 7. Then here it was 4 times 4 and 3 times 8, 1 times 9. When it was 4 times 6, 1 times 7, 4 times 6, 1 times 7, then it became 5 times 4 and 4 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4 and 4 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 times 9. Now here, see, 5 times 6, 1 times 7, 5 times 6, 1 times 7. So our answer is 6 times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4 and 5 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 8, 1 times 9. Very easy. Now student question. A little bug ate 135 tiny flies in 5 days. Each day it ate 10 more flies than it did on the previous day. How many small flies had the bug eaten? After 3 days, after 4 days. We don't know what we had eaten on first day. What we know? That a little bug ate 135 tiny flies in 5 days. That we know. Now solution. Let the number of flies ate on first day x. Number of flies ate on second day. So see here student, each day it ate 10 more flies. So what we do? X plus 10. So number of flies ate on third day. X plus 10 plus 10. X plus 20. Number of flies ate on fourth day. So x plus 20, x plus 20 plus 10, x plus 30. Now number of flies ate on fifth day. X plus 30 plus 10 x plus 40. Clear? So we have imagined that first day he ate x flies, second day x plus 10, third day x plus 20, fourth day x plus 30, fifth day x plus 40. And we know that in 5 days 135 flies. So x plus 10 plus x plus 20 plus x plus 30 plus x plus 40 is equal to 135. Clear? If you have a problem, I write it again. See, first day x plus second day x plus 10, third day x plus 20, third day x plus 30, third day x plus 20, first x, second x plus 10, third x plus 20, fourth x plus 30, fifth x plus 40, and it is equal to 135. Now what we do? We add all the x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus. Now see 40, 30, 70, 80, 90, 10, 100. 5x plus 100 is equal to 135. 5x is equal to 135 minus 100. 5x is equal to how much? 135 minus 100? 35. X is equal to 35 upon 5. 5, 7, 35. So what is the value of x? Value of x is equal to 7. Now students, question is asked after 3 days and after 4 days. What we do? So students, after 3 days. So after 3 days, students see here, x plus 10 plus x plus 20. Clear? After 3 days we have to find out. So what we have to do is, we know the value of x. We know the value of x. What is the value of x? Value of x is 7. Value of x is 7. Now we put the value of x here. See here, 7 plus 10. Now plus 7 plus 20. Now add it. You will get your answer. 7 plus 17 plus 27. Add it. 7 3 21. 2 1 3. See, 7 3 21. 2 carry. 2 2 4 1 5. Clear? Next, after 4 days. Clear? Very simple. X plus 10, x plus 20 plus x plus 30. What we do? We put the value. Very easy. See here. 7 plus 10 plus 7 plus 20 plus 7 plus 30. Very easy. 7 plus 17 plus 27 plus 37. Add it, you will get your answer. One, two, three, four, 7, 4, 28. 28. Not to add 3 to 5, 1, 6, 6 to 8. So after 4 days 88 lies, and after 3 days 51 lies. So this is our answer. Clear? I hope you all have understood. Very easy. Only you have to practice it. So this part is completed. Thank you.